And now I want to demonstrate it or how to make a menu or food in the Photoshop. First of all, let's create new and then choose your size. In here I will choose 2000. I'm sorry, 2000, and the height is 1000, or I can go for 2000. Then for the background I want to choose a blue. After that you can name your template food or anything else. Then click the create. In here you are already on the first step is done, and the second step is create new layer, and then you can create your shape. Rectangle, round, or polygon is up to you, but I prefer to choose rectangle. Then click shift and then draw your rectangle in anywhere you like. Now it's okay the color white. You can change your color here, but I prefer to be white. And then Ctrl T to move your rectangle. I move here, and Ctrl G to duplicate the rectangle, and Ctrl T again to move the rectangle. You can resize the rectangle by pressing Ctrl C and then hold Shift, and I drag the rectangle. This is enough. After that, you choose your size or tool. Click here. Then name your food. Ctrl T to resize, Shift, and then drag again. Alright, so this is the food menu. So now you have our three rectangle or three shapes. You can resize it for whatever you want. After that, you can Control G the fit menu and Control T and drag it to the bottom. In here you can name your menu. First of all, first menu, second menu, there. Well, yes, like this. And then if you want to put the picture on the rectangle, first of all, click the create new layer, drag it to the top of the rectangle, and place the picture there. For example, this. I want to put it there. Now don't worry, it be like this. Right click the picture and then create clipping max. Ctrl T to size it, and then Alt, and then drag it to the bottom, and then fit it to the size of the size you want. How about the second picture? It's same. First, create new layer, drag to the top of the rectangle. Put the picture on the Photoshop. Right click the picture and then create clipping mask. Ctrl C to resize it, and then Alt again. Now it's very basic and very simple, but it get confused. And then if you get confused here, first of all you must create the rectangle and then create new max, I mean new layer. For example, here this is the rectangle that I want to put the picture in it, and then top of it, it has a layer. Now this layer is empty. You can check the picture to the layer. I'm sorry. Put the picture to here, to the Photoshop, in this layer. Now you see the layer is changing to the picture, and then right click and then click clipping mask, resize it, and it's done. So that's how you use a clipping mask. That's how you use a clipping mask, rectangle tool, and make a fit menu or make a picture in it. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.